Hey everybody, here's a helpful cleaning tip for the day. So when you're vacuuming, I want to show you something that's really important with the technique. Often people when they vacuum, they just do it like this. And that doesn't really do a thorough job. If you want to do a good vacuuming and help your carpet stay cleaner longer, vacuum just like this. The key is overlapping your passes. Watch. I'm sure you noticed that when I've cleaned your homes, and it's also a reason why your carpets stay cleaner much longer than when it's done by other people or by rug doctors and whatnot. You see that? Overlapping. Take your time. It's not a race. So hopefully that helps. Have a good day.